I'm coming from the bottom, but I'm rising to the top. Had to hustle every day, I ain't never gonna stop. From the shadows to the spotlight, I'm shining like a star. Got the power in my veins, you can feel it from afar. Power, 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 I'm taking over now. Got my homies on the block, I ain't never backing down. Power, power, you can see it in my eyes. I'm the king of the struggle, yeah, you can feel the vibes. Artists in the fame, yeah, they running the game, but the power that I hold is no easy to tame. Bastards all around trying to knock me off my throne, but I'm built for the crown, I can handle it alone. Power, power, I'm taking over now. Got my homies on the block, I ain't never backing down. Power, power, you can see it in my eyes. I'm the king of the struggle, yeah, you can feel the vibe. Power, power, I'm taking over now. Got my homies on the block, I ain't never backing down. Power, power, you can see it in my eyes. I'm the king of the struggle, yeah, you can feel the vibes.
I go the hardest. I bring the pain. Not what you used to. It's all part of the game. Yeah, I just gotta go hard. I just gotta go hard. Go hard. Go hard. Yeah. Oh yeah, the beast back. Adrenaline pumping through my veins, can't relax. Original, I am not the same as these cats. I sting them if they never ever mindin' they beeswax. I don't ever cap, but I'm wearing like 3 hats. Never been a rat, but I know where the cheese at. You'll never get a trophy cause they all here where we at. You better believe that. When it's all said and done, I'll still be here standing. Never took a loss and it ain't something that I'm planning. I dare you to say something, my focus is A1. Every dog has his day, it's been mine since day one. This is real grinding, I'm still climbing. While you still trying, I'm still shining. It's real blinding, and I'm getting hotter too. Talking top 2, I'm not a 2. You let the pressure bother you and I do what I gotta do. Let's go hard. I just gotta go hard. Go hard. Go hard. They ain't coming close to me. Flow is on atomic, I'm starting fires through poetry. The hardest out, staying loyal, no falling out. And if you step into the court, be ready, we ballin' out. Yeah, the coldest of teens, they know what we bring, don't try us. Ain't no in between, we go for these dreams in silence. Hard work, don't mistake it for magic. We been shooting in the gym, this is target and practice. Yeah. And I'm just getting started, get my feet wet. It's all in repetition, ain't a secret. All facts, up like